Okay, so let's take a look at how you can hide tags in article bottom in Drupal. So for this, let's check out one site where you can see I have one article that has this tags option. Let's say tag shows demo. I wish to remove this. Okay, so to do that, what we can do is we can log into our Drupal backend. Okay, now next thing that we are going to do is we are going to this structures tab, and there we are going to check for content types. Okay, because we are adjusting the fields like tag, and then you can see I have option to change field for article or basic page. Okay, and I wish to do that for both article and basic page. So starting with article, we can manage fields or we can manage display. So click on this manage display. Okay, now here you can see tags option here with labels above, format label. Okay, and if I want to hide this, I can simply choose hidden, save. Okay, and next thing I can also see that format settings label, link label to reference entity as okay selected. Okay, next thing we can save the changes. Okay, now let's take a look at option. Right, so go to front page, then placeholder article content, and here you can see that tags is now not visible. Okay, and this is article specific view. We haven't edited for front page or for pages. So for pages we have to go back to content types, then for basic page we have to manage display. Okay, and here we have to also check for what's visible in our custom display settings and save it. Okay, currently there is no tag option there, so if we go to about us, it's already not visible here. Okay, so for article we can go here and check that tags is missing there. So you get the idea how to hide tags in article in Drupal.